Actress Mahima Makwana believes that maintaining a structured routine, especially in the entertainment and glamour industry, is essential for mental well being. She said that while the entertainment industry often lacks fixed schedules, finding a balance is crucial for staying in the right headspace. In an exclusive interview, Mahima shared her thoughts on mental health and the importance of creating a sense of structure despite the unpredictable nature of an actor's profession.
I feel a particular kind of structure is always important so that our mental health is also in place, because it's not a profession where any kind of profession demands for you to be in your best headspace more than anything. So I feel any kind of a particular structure is extremely important, and there is more awareness about it. But हमारा profession ऐसा है जहाँ पर ना Monday होता है ना Sunday होता है. तो to speak of the context from the show, I think it just makes you want to live a little. It makes you want to, can I just pause and breathe and be in the present moment? But as far as the whole shift thing is concerned, I think a particular kind of structure is being into consideration, but that also happens where you are in your career and how you can voice it out, and how do you find a middle ground with your filmmakers as well. Because यहाँ पे I'm speaking from my point of view, but I also have to consider everybody else's point of view, where लोगों का पैसा है, लोगों की मेहनत है. So you find a middle ground, you find what works for you, and therefore you go about it. At least that's my take on it.
On the work front, Mahima will next be seen in Musafir Cafe, which is set to premiere on July 24. The project also stars Vikrant Messi and Vedika Pinto.